Hi. So there are two metro stations which are nearest to Lady Shram College for Women, Delhi University. So these two metro stations are Kailash Colony Metro Station and Mulchan Metro Station. So these two metro stations are around 300 to 400 meter away from LSR. You can get a rickshaw from these metro stations and reach to college. And I hope this video helps you, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about LSR. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.